Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a handbag unboxing, which I am very excited about. This is also something that is on sale currently, and so by the time this video goes live, I think the sale should still be running, if not at the end of the sale. So I will try to do this as soon as I can so that you can take advantage. If you've also seen my recent video, I had a lot of Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals listed. If you're interested in those sales, definitely hop on to that. I'll link it below as well. There are tons of sales going on. And for Cyber Monday, I wanted to point out that one of my favorite brands this year is Oleata. This one's currently on sale for 25% off of the sale price. And with my code angeleyn, you can get a free gift with purchase, as well as up to $500 in gift card to use by the end of the year. So that is an amazing steal, because if you are able to get the $500 or $200 gift card, you can basically get another handbag for free. So take advantage of that. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. I'm so excited. As you can see, I already have my Christmas tree put up. I'm angling this kind of like in a maybe more awkward way because I really wanted to capture the holiday spirit. So yes, that is it right there. I also have my advent calendars ready to go. I have a couple that I'm really excited to start. One is this one. This one's from Astrid and Miyu. So this one I think is still available, which is a surprise because usually they sell out, but it's 12 days. So this one I may have to wait a little bit. I have a beauty one also. If they're still available, I will also link it below. They make great gifts, but it's just like a fun little gift treat every day. Let's get into the unboxing. Let me just pull this open. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Receipt. Looks like they have a magazine. And here it is. So this is from Mansur Gavriel. I have two other bags from Mansur Gavriel. One that I actually purchased earlier this year. So right here, so tiny, so cute. But I don't know if you can guess what this is. I did get it on their sale. Let's just take a look. Ooh, the dust bag is nice. It's a very heavy duty canvas, but on the inside it has like a fluffy material, so very soft. To reveal, yet another lady bag. I love this design. Actually, many years ago when they became very popular with their bucket bag, I just did not love it. But when this one came out, this lady bag came out, I was like, oh my gosh, I really like it. I didn't get it because it was kind of on the big side, but when they came out with like a smaller lady, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the right size. They have since come up with like a mini lady, which is what the one I just showed you. As you can see, look at it, it's so cute. This one is in the soft leather, so is this one, so you can see how it's like more supple. This one is in the sand color. This one is in the biscotto color. So I just love this one. This one feels so ready for fall and winter. This one's more spring and summer. I actually do have one from like 5 years ago. It's a very stiff leather. It's also in black. And it's really prone to scratches, but it is a beautiful bag. And as soon as I got the soft one earlier this year, even though it's in the smaller size, I knew I liked that leather better. So I decided to get one of the larger size, but in the soft leather. So here we are. Let me just show you around. So the front looks like this. The back looks like this. There are two little D-rings right there. So you could put a strap on this. And then you also have like a little top handle. The top handle you can put on the crook of your arm, but it is not big enough to put onto your shoulder. So it kind of gets stuck right there. But it is a very generous drop. And so if you have a bigger coat, it won't be an issue. There are no outside pockets and there are no feet, so that is kind of like a downside of this bag. I think I would really appreciate a back pocket right here, or feet, because this bag is big enough, I think. The mini one maybe not, but this size I think is big enough that it would warrant feet. So let's look in the inside. It's actually held closed right here like this. There is a two leather strap that loops the top and the bottom right here. So if I pull this one out and then from here. Now you can see it's a regular drawstring bag. The inside of this one is in this beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, suede. And so it is kind of the same color as the backing of this leather versus my original one, which has the black vegetable tanned leather. This is tumbled calfskin. This one, it's very smooth on the inside and it has a flama red color right here. I stuff my bags to keep the shape. But you can see that it does have a different color inside. This one, you can't pick that because it is, like I said, the backside of this leather. So it's going to be the same color. So let's uncinch this a little bit. Oh, that's another thing. If you are new to this, there is no stopper at the end of this two strap. So if you pull this leather tab too far, you could end up losing it. I've never had that issue, but you know, just thought I'd mention it. Now you can really freely open this bag. This is the crossbody strap and stuffing. The inside, you can see it does have one big compartment, and then there is this flap of leather. So you see, very big compartment. And the leather strap, you can see, does go through. So you could because it's not attached, you could potentially remove this leather strap altogether and put on like a silk ribbon, which I think will look really beautiful. But anyway, those are just options. This flap does not really come out, but I did this so you could see it better. There is a slip pocket right there, and then there's also a zipper pocket right there. You can kind of see that all of the pockets and everything is also lined in suede. It's very luxurious. Yeah, it's just beautiful. And it says Mansur Gavriel made in Italy right there. And it is just, I could smell the leather. Everything feels beautiful. And yeah, let me put on the shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap is also in the same color and it is adjustable, which is amazing. It has these little lobster clasps right there, and you just kind of pop it on here. It's not heavy duty, but that also keeps it light. So here we go. It looks like these are two pieces that I could just remove altogether. Yeah, it looks like two separate pieces. So let's put it on. It's a little bit long for me. All right, so this is me crossbody. Actually, it's a pretty good length, and if I wear it on just the shoulder, it's a little long, but I can make it shorter so that, see how the leather can come completely apart. So there we go. Now on the shoulder, it is shorter, which is nice. And I guess you can continue to poke holes through to basically make it shorter if you need. So to close this, you just cinch it back. And oftentimes that's all I do. I don't really like loop it back up here and down here, but that is one way to make it very secure. This bag is a medium-sized bag, so that means I can easily put my iPad mini in here. And I can also put a pochette, mini pochette in here. I can also put like a water bottle. So I have a 12 ounce right here, just to kind of give you a quick look at what that looks like. And there is still tons of space. So I think this one is a great kind of, I wouldn't say work bag, but it is really good for, you know, maybe traveling or a day bag. It is very beautiful. When you have a lot of stuff in it, it does kind of fall forward a little bit. So I do like to cinch it back up just to make sure it keeps its shape. But yes, you can always loop it back with a leather strap. So that is it right here. This is my new Soft Lady bag in the Biscotto color. I think it's a beautiful color for the fall and winter time, and I am so excited to be wearing it. I think it can fit quite a bit of stuff without being a tote bag, which is great. And if you like the style, it's currently on sale with an additional 20% off. So this one, I got it for, I think only 200, I think 250 $50, which is an amazing steal. I think I got it without the 20% off. I bought it just like a few days too early, which I was like kind of upset about. But you can take advantage of the extra 20% off sale. This one does come in the smaller size. So if you're interested in this size, this bag does come in this size, and I think it's $200 right now. So it's a very good deal for beautiful leather bag made in Italy. If I could find this one still, I'll link it below. I will definitely link that one below as well. If you're interested in their bucket bags or other style bags, I'll pop it right here. Those are also very, very special and unique, and all of them are on sale as well, so I will link those below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear if you picked up anything for the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Actually, I just thought about it. The Zoomoni organizer would probably go really well in here as well if you want to be able to kind of organize the big compartment in the center. Hi everyone, wanted to pop in here really quickly to share the organizers that I ordered from Zoomoni about a couple weeks ago now for this bag. This is the Maison de Sabre bag that I got. This is actually still on sale if you're interested in getting 25% off. They come in many like plain colors like this. This is the black one, but they also have some other neutral colors. If you are interested in the Hello Kitty one though, this one is not currently in the sale, but yeah, it is available still on their website. But what I wanted to show you today is the Zoomoni organizers. So inside, oh, actually, it's kind of dark. Let me see if I could. There is just one big kind of compartment, and I wanted something that can have a zipper top so that, you know, if I am traveling, things don't fall out. There is a snap closure, but things can still fall off at the side. I did a custom organization. It's still going to be available for 30% off with my code angeleyn30 if you get it by December 2nd. So here it is. I did the measurements in my last video, so if you're interested in how to take the measurements, you can hop on over there. I'll list it in the description box below, the link to that unboxing video. There's a little thank you card here, so thoughtful. And this is the organizer. I measured it. I added the zipper. So this is the zipper top like that. And then what I really like about this is and remove it. So let's say I just don't want the zipper. You can see that you can have it like so. Oh my gosh, they included like a bunch of little freebies. So these are their felt organizers that are flat. They have different sizes, and so you can use them for, you know, like little card holders, cash holders, and just slip it in your bag. They are very nice because you can, you know, use it for very small bags as well. So if you have a wallet on chain, yeah. So anyway, that was a freebie for me, which thank you very much, Zoomoni. So inside I also ordered the D-ring because in case I wanted to ever attach something, you can do that. And in this particular shape, it's got the 2 slip pockets, smaller ones, and then 1 large slip pocket here. This is just a tag of what it care tags. This is a felt. This is the 1.2 mm, so it's a thinner one, which I wanted the thinner one because I wanted something that does not take up too much space and isn't too heavy. So I'm gonna put this back on. So now you can see that it looks like that. Let's see if it fits. So I'm gonna put it in here. Wow, okay, so you can see that it is tall enough so that it covers most of the bag. Look, it does fall underneath this clasp, so if I want it to, I can still clasp shut, but let's say I wanted extra security, now I can zip this top part up. And because they have the red color, it looks like it's part of the bag. I know the lighting is probably not the best right now. I wanted to get this filmed so that it could go into the video before the sale ends. So again, if you wanted to get a custom organizer, which I had to for this bag because they don't have this on their website, you can use my code angeleyn30 at checkout. I will also link the custom organization below. If you are interested in some of their pre-made bag organizers, they have a bunch for different popular bags. They are also 30% off with my code angeleyn30. So this ends December 2nd. So if you are interested, definitely hop on over to Zoomoni's website. They also have other like really pretty organizers here. These are just open ones that you can slot into your bags. I have many of these already. So if any of you are interested in getting one of these, I may do a giveaway on my channel. So leave it in the comments below if you're interested, and I'll create one so that I could send some of you guys these really cute nested organizers. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.